Hello mga palangga! Good morning! So, aalis kami today. Ito yung suot ko. Kasama si mother-in-law. So, pupunta kami sa Steam Railway to have our afternoon tea. This is my first time to have an afternoon tea. I really hope that we will have a good time. The weather is not brilliant, but it's okay. Earlier, it was raining, but luckily, it did stop now. So, hopefully, hindi uulan ulit. So, mga palangga, I need to go down because my mother-in-law is waiting for me for like 15 minutes now. So I need to say hello, Mom. We're going, sir.
Doctor's vet
Mama
said,
is
"Oh, we
behind
could
here.
help it, you know." And Matt said, "Well, not from."
We're just gonna have a walk around before we going to railway station. Oh, I like that dress. That one, John. That will suits you.
Oh yeah.
They got a lot of different sweets. I like those, they're very cute. That's it, we're gonna go back to the car park now. We had a lot of stroll around.
What's it called?
Mama got a bag. And we got a lot of sweeties as well.
I've got toilet to fit in the toilet.
Oh yeah, we need to go to the toilet. So we are here in the railway station, and guess what we gonna do? Yes, sasakay kami ng train. So this is my first time to ride a train here in UK. Yes, so this will be a good experience. That's massive rooster. I'll show you. There's a rooster. That's very fat. Have a look. Ice cream for dogs. Pipa and PB needs this. Look at those titties. They're massive.
Thank you. This isn't ours.
This is not ours.
No, this is Russ booked me this one.
Right, okay.
It's going to clean up now, you say? Isn't it?
We'll have a drink first before going in the train. We're quite early.
Coffee smells good anyway.
Yeah, coffee smells good. We're just gonna have some refreshment. So he's having cappuccino,
Yep.
latte, and a tea. Yeah, that's a clever idea. It looks like you're drinking beer. But it's not really, it's empty inside. Choose happy. Right, this is our ticket. So this is it. We are in the train. Oh my, we're moving.
We're about to be summoned to.
Oh my gosh.
We're off.
We're off. Hang on, we need to make space.
Oh my God.
Oh dear. There's the food. It looks good.
Looks good, it tastes good.
Is it good, John?
Very good, actually.
Good. Very good. The food is very good.
Like a little Victoria sponge cake, right?
What is that? Oh, look. First bite.
Probably about 20.
That's good. He's enjoying himself there. John. So at the moment mga palangga, I don't know if you could hear me because the train is very noisy. We are at the stationary at the moment. We can stop for 15 minutes. Oh, we got stopped.
Get balls on your radio.
There's a lot of food that we did not finish, so we'll be taking that at home. So that's it. We're going back home now. I really did enjoy it. There you go. That's it. We out. That's it. There. Look at you and your doggy bag.
You made me carry it.
Thank you. Thank you. The rooster's still there. Bye-bye now. Bye-bye. Look at this tractor. That's it. She's in her home now. Bye-bye!
Come on.
Oh God, I'm so sleepy and my bum starts to ache.
Is she in, isn't it?
I don't know, just see, because she said she's feeling sick. It's just warm and, you know, I've been traveling for quite some time. Sometimes I feel like that. Okay, bye-bye now.
Mind your mirror.
She's home safe. So, we're gonna go to our house and have a rest.
Let the doogles out.
Let the dogs out. Oh, look at them. Woof woof. Ah, they miss us, hun. Look at her. Later, Pipa, you will have the treat. Oh gosh. So I will put you right here, and when we are wandering the place, sorry, I don't have my tripod. So as I said, we went to the Sweet Emporium. So this is what we got. Well, anyway, this is not from the Sweet Emporium. This is from the
Train ride.
Train. That's the doggy bag. Sayang. Sayang if hindi siya dadalhin. So anyway, this is it. I got assorted sweeties. Assorted. They're all assorted.
You really have assorted them. There's not many left.
Jan get this. I don't know what is this.
I'll tell you. What it was?
No, this one.
Shrimps.
Shrimps.
Yeah, they're really yummy.
Good. This one, what is this?
Pontefract cakes, the licorice.
Alright, okay.
Yeah.
It looks
Licorice.
good. And
Fruit salad.
fruit salad. This reminds me of
Oh.
what do you call that? Frutos na candy. So that's why when I found this, I want to get this. So ito lang yung nabili namin mga palangga, at si mother-in-law, she has a lot of sweeties as well, and binilhan ko din siya ng handbag kasi she was looking a handbag for quite some time now, and then we went to that shop and she really said, I really like that handbag, and it's only cost 30 pounds. So I said, I will get it for you, and then she and I got the bag. So yeah, she's happy about it. Oh, I like this. I would like to try this. Look at that. That's good. Honey, is it okay to try this? What? The sweet? We will try this. What do you call this again? Shrimp? Why do you call it a shrimp?
Well, look at it.
It doesn't look like a shrimp to me. I don't know.
They're not very good shrimps, actually.
It is nothing. I don't know. I don't get it. For me, it is nothing, huh?
Well, never used to.
I don't know, but I don't taste anything. Para lang siyang pulburon. Right. I'm just gonna change and I'll be back for you. What is that? Jan is eating a ham. So I'm just gonna change and I'll be back. So mga palangga, ito na yung vlog natin for today. Oh my gosh, my face. That's massive. So anyway, that's it for me today. I will see you in my next video and bye. Mwah, mwah.